If you enjoy our content, we'd love if you could like this video. We'd also enjoy if you could leave us a comment. And don't forget to subscribe. Now, onto the vehicle. Hey there guys, Brady here, Director of First Impressions at Ride Time. Today we have rolling into the studio a 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT Plus. So inside here it'll have a rear DVD, second and third row power windows, as well as third row seating. Stow and go is also a feature in this Grand Caravan, so just sit back, enjoy the ride, and let us take you inside. And as we swing on inside, that all-cloth upholstery in fantastic condition. That front dash is looking great as well. Panning into the power driver's seat, it also has power lumbar. Onto the back, there are pockets on the back of the front seats for additional storage. So this Grand Caravan has plenty of storage in it. As we look at the third row, you'll notice that the second row has stow and go seating. That's the same as the third row as well. Taking a look at the third row, looking pristine. As we pan back out here, collapsing the stow and go seating was so simple we could do it with one hand. So that's always very nice, especially when you have a handful of something else. Looking at that headliner featuring a DVD player. The door housing your power locks, windows, and mirrors. Left hand side of the steering wheel, it has your voice recognition and trip computer controls. On the right hand side, your cruise control, and that wheel is all leather wrapped. Taking a look at that center console, Sirius XM satellite radio alongside AM and FM radio with direct tuning capabilities. Setting your presets very simple. Usually with touchscreens it is just press and hold, and in this case that is true. Moving on here to media, this Dodge Grand Caravan does come with a HDD or hard drive disc, as well as a DVD/CD player. So I'll head up to that right after I show you the menu. Always a nice addition to have is an equalizer. Looking at that CD/DVD player, I pop in a DVD here quickly to give you guys a nice demonstration. Moving on from the center console screen, this Dodge Grand Caravan comes equipped with an aux cord input, and just above the glove box is a USB input. Moving on down to the mid-center console, this houses your tri-zone climate control. That means passenger, driver, and rear all have separate climate control abilities. Moving in, there is an economy mode as well as an additional 115 volt power mode. As we pan down to show you guys the two auxiliary power jacks at the bottom of the center console. This Dodge Grand Caravan comes equipped with a backup camera with guiding lines, always a great feature to have. Taking a look at that rear zone climate control, in this case it was locked, but you can unlock that at the center console. And looking at that rear DVD screen, crystal clear quality, as well as you can also show it on the center console for the passenger. Moving into the back here, I'll quickly do a demonstration on how easy the stow and go seating is. Again, we could do it with one hand. And as we pan quickly in and slowly pan back out after that demonstration, with just the rear seats folded, you can see lots of space. You can also fold down the second row seats if you want to add even more space. So, impressed by our turntable? Then you'll be further impressed by the fact that you can buy this 100% online with Ride Time's confidential application. We can deliver your ride to the comfort of your own home. That's right, we'll deliver to your driveway. If this is your future vehicle, leave us a deposit and we'll hold it for 48 hours. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. And remember, at Ride Time, we're your ticket to ride. I would love it if you could click that RT logo right in the middle and subscribe. I'd also really enjoy it if you could watch either of these two awesome videos.